Hi, it's Jay Agoado here, and I am going to talk to you very briefly about day one of prosperity strategy down in the beautiful Palm Springs area. So day one, we're going to be talking about, whether you're a year or 5 years away from retirement, we're going to be helping to show you how you can still create income while you are taking more time off from work. And we're also going to be teaching you on how you can prepare for your eventual retirement, create a strategy, finding somebody who could take over your business, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But help you create a strategy so that you can continue to create income while you are taking time off and or if you are retired. And I just went through this myself, so I can tell you everything that I did to create a successful plan. So I look forward to seeing you down there. It's going to be great weather and it's going to be a great time. Bye-bye.